Hey everyone, welcome to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and in this video, I want to show you how to format an iMessage on your iPhone. Click the subscribe button below, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Now let's jump in. Hold down on the blue arrow. This is the classic way to send a message with effect. You can slam it. You could even use invisible ink, and they wouldn't be able to see it until they tapped on the message. What you can do is use your finger to swipe over. Notice at the bottom, there's these circles. You can swipe over to find different message effects. When you're ready to send it with these effects, you select the blue arrow. The other way to format messages is to select the A above the keyboard. From here, you can boldface, italic, underline, or even strike through. You can create this ripple, bloom, nod, small. It is important to note with these formatting features that you and the recipient must be using iMessage on iOS 18 or later. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow Being Classy on social media. I'll catch you in the next video.